Welcome back to my channel, everybody, and today we've come to Fishbourne Centre in Fishbourne. It is open to everyone and it has 17 acres of playing fields, including a cricket and football pitches, tennis courts, croquet lawn, bowling green, multiple sport court and secure, accessible to all children's play area. It has an outdoor gym equipment and fields that are a popular venue for local football clubs and dog walkers. We have recorded 2 venues in the Fishbourne area, one being St Peter and St Mary's Church, which I will put a link in the description, and also we did the Roman Palace, which I will also leave a link in the description, and I will also include my drone footage for both venues. I'll also include a map of exactly where I am today, so you can take a good look at where the location is, sort of west side of Chichester. And it's a great park. I've come here myself. We've had children's parties have been held here. Also, they had a fireworks display a couple of times I've been to view, and I've been here multiple times to play basketball on the multi-court centre. So yeah, this is where we are today. Let's get Dora up and see how this 17-acre site looks from above. watching, everybody, and if you have liked today's video, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's totally free and it does help me out. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment and I'll always reply back to your comments. Thanks again, Lorenzo.